Today we're going to talk about the Bella Canvas 3001 CVC t-shirt. This tee is 52% cotton and 48% polyester. So on the surface this doesn't seem too exciting, does it? What makes this tee so special? Let's find out. First off, this isn't your average run-of-the-mill cotton t-shirt. It's heirloom combed and ring-spun cotton, meaning you start with the highest quality cotton that you can get and you put it through a combing and spinning process, which makes the fabric soft to the touch. Combining the cotton and the polyester reduces shrinkage and overall costs. And speaking of shrinkage, the 3001C comes pre-shrunk, so right off the bat you have an extremely soft, high-quality tee that won't shrink on you. Okay, let's talk about weight now. The 3001 CVC weighs in at only 4.2 ounces, making it one of the lightest t-shirts on the market. Alright, now you're starting to understand why everyone loves the 3001 CVC so much. It's extremely soft, lightweight to wear, high quality, and we haven't even gotten to the fit yet. This shirt has a retail or fashion-forward fit. It features side seams, shoulder taping, unisex sizing, and a tearaway label. It also comes in 60 different heathered colors, so there's always options available. But keep in mind that not all of the colors are an exact 52 to 48% blend, so check out our product page at ShirtSpace.com for exact details. People often ask what's the difference between the Bella Canvas 3001 CVC and the 3001C. Well, the difference is the 3001 CVC is a cotton poly blend, giving it a heathered look. If you're looking for more of a solid option, check out its cousin, the 3001C. Alright, what about garment decoration? One of the reasons this shirt is so popular is because of its fashionable style, making it a great choice to start your own t-shirt line or brand. So the short answer is yes, you can definitely decorate the Bella Canvas 3001 CVC. Screen printers. Water-based, discharge, and plastisol inks are a go, but also keep in mind this is a lightweight t-shirt, so heavy plastisol inks might weigh it down a bit. Heat transfer vinyl works great with the Bella Canvas 3001C, and so does embroidery, so go ahead and get creating. Well, there you have it, the rundown on the Bella Canvas 3001C, available from ShirtSpace.com, the best place to visit for all your blank apparel needs. If you have any questions or you have a tee or topic you'd like us to feature, mention it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications, and have a wonderful day.